So one of the biggest challenges on Fulgora is having too much of a specific item, and sometimes there's just no space to have recyclers there to get rid of that item. Recyclers are based on the craft time of the item, so certain items take a long time to recycle, then they give you a load of components out that you then need to recycle again and recycle again. Sometimes you need 3 recyclers to destroy a specific item. And that's if you don't have scrap recycling productivity research. So I'm going to show you how to set up a little bit of logic to automate recycling when you're above a certain amount of a specific item. The first thing we're going to need is a decider combinator. And then we're going to use either red or green wire to connect the roboport to the input so that the combinator can see everything that's in our logistics network. So I'm going to set the condition to whichever material it is that I'm worried about, in this case iron plates, and here I'm going to set greater than, say, 200. So if we have more than 200 iron plates, we get an output. So we're going to set that output to iron plates, but we do not want to leave it on input count, because that will set a request in the network for the bots to bring every single iron plate we've got to this chest. And even once that signal disappears, they're still going to move that original request. So instead we're going to click on the 1, we're going to click the little pencil next to it and set it to a sensible number like 200. I now need to connect the output of the combinator to a requester chest, then click on said chest and click set requests. Now this is all set up and technically working, but nothing's moving because we don't actually have that many iron plates. So what I'm going to do is put down another decider combinator. I'm going to use the old shift right click, shift left click to copy the recipe across, then just change iron plate to copper plate, which I do have a lot of, and we'll see the bots get to work straight away. Hopefully you found this useful. Let me know in the comments. Cheers.